All right. So today I'm going to be talking about my setup. Some of you may already know if you've watched some of my previous videos. I've been using like a two PC type setup with my laptop and my gaming PC. And basically, what I was doing was I was using my gaming PC, which was running a Windows install, and then I had my Hyprland install on my laptop. And then on my laptop, I was remoting into my gaming PC to play, certain games that I could not play on Linux. In any games that I wanted to have, better performance for, since that was my gaming PC um, as a whole. And it was a pretty smooth setup. I'll link the video or one of the videos in my description below so you can check that out. But just recently, I actually made the full switch, and I'm no longer remoting into a Windows PC to do gaming. I'm actually running everything on my gaming PC currently with Hyprland. So I installed CachyOS Linux onto my gaming PC, and then obviously installed Hyprland onto that. And yeah, so I got my configuration, everything up and running here, and I kind of just wanted to explain the reasons why I actually made the switch and what I'm using to be able to do it. Um, so one thing that was kind of holding me back is certain games just not running with like anti cheat and stuff like that. So that was kind of my reason for having the Windows install and being able to just play games and not have to worry about all these different fixes and stuff to try to get the games to run. So basically, I would just remote into the Windows laptop or Windows PC to actually game. But just recently, the Marvel Rivals game came out, so that's the main game that I'm going to be playing, and that actually just worked out of the box for me on my Linux install. So I ended up trying it on my laptop first, just to make sure it ran, and then that's what enticed me to actually install Linux onto my gaming PC, and it runs great. Like there's no issues whatsoever. I'm able to play it straight from Steam. I am using the Proton Cache OS compatibility layer for Proton. Uh, that's just the one that Cache OS installs when you do the when you install the game meta packages from CachyOS. That's how it installs it. So I've been using that and it's been running great. I've been able to play Marvel Rivals with no issues. I did have to disable the frame generation that was giving me hiccups and causing it to crash. But I mean, the game runs great either way, so I didn't really need that, to be able to run it. So it just works, and I have not had any issues. I'm also able to play the finals on here, and a few other games that I play, like Ready or Not, and some other games like that. All run great and fine on here. So the only games that don't are like Call of Duty and like Fortnite. I don't really play Fortnite, but sometimes I play with my son. But for games like Call of Duty, what I ended up doing was actually going with Boosteroid. I did have NVIDIA GeForce Now on here. I have great internet, and I was actually experiencing some issues playing mouse and keyboard on there. It actually worked really well with controller, but for mouse and keyboard, I had some latency. So I went and tried Boosteroid, which is actually cheaper than having the NVIDIA one. And they seem to have some other games that the GeForce Now doesn't have, and also they had Marvel Rivals. I think like the day after it came out, and NVIDIA GeForce Now, as of right now, of the recording of this video, they did not have Marvel Rivals on there. Although I can play it on my main setup, but I'm just giving an example of how quickly they add games to the library. So yeah, so actually I can just show you real quick how well this runs on here. So I just have the web version with the web app installed, and then it just runs, full screen automatically. And then I have a key binding for Control M to exit full screen and be able to, just move my mouse, freely without having to be locked in. And then as you can see here, it's booting up. One thing that I did notice that I don't really like is you can't just sign into your all of your platforms, out of the gate right away. I keep having to sign into Call of Duty every time I launch it, but other games did not do that, so I might have to just mess with it and figure that out. But if anybody knows, in the comments, please let me know. But I'm gonna sign in real quick and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm in here now. So I'm going to just go into a lobby. We're just gonna do team death method and kill confirmed. All right, so I might be a little bit rusty here. I've been playing Marvel Rivals pretty heavy, but I basically just want to show how the latency is and kind of how the game runs on Boosteroid.
Kill confirmed. Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences.
All right, so this is gonna be interesting. Here's somebody. Did not see him. As you can see, it's pretty responsive.
Arming blast trap.
Jeez. What is happening?
Clear. Sniper is down.
Oh, forgot I had a stem. Really forgot how to play this game. Pick up all my tags.
Neutralize.
Dropping a spring mine.
Fire stim down.
Oh. Easy there. Oh, that's teammate. That's teammate. I'll figure it out here. That's not a teammate. Where'd he go?
Got a runner. Bringing in recon.
UAV established overhead.
I missed that shot.
UAV MTL 50%. Check. Napalm release. Fireworks close. Priority taxi request received. UAV exiting your grid. Fire's lit. Heading to refuel.
Move up. Long guns frag.
Oh, he didn't see me. Blast trap kill.
Done. Income. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Whoa.
Oh, buddy. Getting hot in here.
Ready for delivery.
Grenade. Got their marksman. Let's push. TACCOM. Get me a UAV.
UAV.
Five down.
Oh, had to reload.
Completion timeline 50% expended. Firebug
Carver
1-3.
requesting watchdog
Inbound
helo
on your grid.
tasking.
This is Arrow. Target WBR. Weapons hot. Package delivered. Firebug 1-3. RTB. We're flying on fuel. UAV returning to base.
Where's the team at? Oh.
Kill.
Single shooter.
We're taking fire. Watchdog helo fuel reserve.
Might help if I could aim a little bit. Oh, teammate. Not a teammate.
Carver requesting UAV.
Have eyes on.
Oh, started. Oh boy. Can't get in here. Jeez. Clearly suck with this pistol. Oh,
Timeline expired. UAV
Mine's nearly up. Close it down.
oh buddy. It's heavy out there. Oh, that's teammate. Sorry, dude. Anybody got ammo? Shit. Ammo box, anybody? Last trap.
Hostile impact coming in. Watch your fire.
Defeat.
Kill team. You were better than you today.
We're losing that whole time?
Damn it. Feels like numb all over again.
Hey, I went 25 and 5. Guess I'm a little bit better than I thought. But yeah, as you can see, it runs super smooth. It was, you know, great experience. I had no hiccups. Like, it was responsive. It just works really well. So yeah, if you don't use it already, I definitely suggest it. Give it a try. But yeah, I am fully on Linux. Just wanted to show like what I'm using and how I got here and kind of how my setup is. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.